Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can delete our Google account permanently. So for that you need to open up your Google Chrome or Google, and after that you need to click on this option of your profile on the top right hand side corner. You can open it up on your mobile device also, so just click on it, and after that you will see all the accounts that are logged into your account, and after that you need to select any of them which you want to delete, and after that just click on this option of manage your Google account. Wait for it to load, and then click on data and privacy option, and under data and privacy you need to scroll down to the end, and here you will find this option of delete your Google account. Just click on it. Then it will ask you to provide your password. Just provide your password, and then you need to tick two options, and after that you will be able to delete your Google account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.